The hairstylist asks, how much would you like taken off the back? आप पीछे से कितने कटवाना चाहेंगे for male and आप पीछे से कितने कटवाना चाहेंगी for female. How is कितने and we write कितने as काफ ते नून बढ़िए कितने. Much is ज़्यादा जे ये अलिफ दे दाल हे ज़्यादा. Gay for male and गी for female. Gay can be written as गाफ बढ़िए गे and we write गी as गाफ छोटिए गी. आप is अलिफ मदा पे साकिन चाहें चे अलिफ हे ये and नूना. कटवाना is काफ टे वाव अलिफ नून अलिफ कटवाना and पीछे से is पे ये चे and to make the aspirated sound दो चश्मी है and बढ़िए. से can be written as sin बढ़िए से. How much would you like taken off the back? आप पीछे से कितने कटवाना चाहेंगे for male and आप पीछे से कितने कटवाना चाहेंगी for female. The customer answers, I would like an inch to be taken off from the top. From the back पीछे से, from the top ऊपर से, from the sides साइडों से. So we can translate I would like an inch to be taken off from the top as मैं ऊपर से 1 इंच कटवाना चाहूँगा for male and for female मैं ऊपर से 1 इंच कटवाना चाहूँगी. I is मैं in Urdu and we write मैं as मीम ये and नूना and would is ga for male or गी for female. चाहूँ can be written as चाहूँ which means like in English and in Urdu we write चाहूँ as चे अलिफ हे वाव नूना. एक is अलिफ ये काफ which is an. Inch is inch अलिफ नून चे inch. Katwana is to be taken off or we can also say utarwana. So let's see how do we write Katwana or how do we spell Katwana. So we spell Katwana as kaf te waw alif nun alif na Katwana and ऊपर से is alif waw pe re ऊपर and से is सीन बढ़िए से. I would like an inch to be taken off from the top. मैं ऊपर से 1 इंच कटवाना चाहूँगा. Or the customer can say, I would like 2 inches left from the back. मैं पीछे से 2 इंच छुड़वाना चाहूँगा. And for female we will say मैं पीछे से 2 इंच छुड़वाना चाहूँगी. I is मैं and we can spell मैं as मीम ये and नूना. Would is ga in Urdu for male, and for female we will say gi. Chahun is che, alif, he, waw and nunna. Tu is do, and do is written as dal waw do. Inches are inch. We just say inch in Urdu for plural as well. Left is chudwana. So we write chudwana as chud, che, he ki bani che, re, chud, and waw alif wa, noon alif na, chudwana. पीछे से is पे, ये, चे, दो चश्मी है and बड़ी है, and से is written as seen, बड़ी है से, पीछे से. So we can translate I would like 2 inches left from the back as मैं पीछे से 2 इंच छुड़वाना चाहूँगा. Now once it has been done, the hairstylist says, are they okay? क्या ये ठीक है? क्या ये ठीक है? Are is हैं, and we write हैं in Urdu as हे, ये, नूना. ये, हे, ये, and we write ठीक as टे, दो चश्मी है, ये काफ, ठीक. Are they okay? क्या ये ठीक हैं? Customer answers, they are perfect. ये बिल्कुल ठीक हैं. ये बिल्कुल ठीक हैं. Now we can translate they as ये, are is हैं, and we write हैं as हे, ये, नूना. Perfect is perfect or बिल्कुल ठीक means very okay, very fine. So let's write बिल्कुल ठीक in Urdu, and we write बिल्कुल as बे, alif, or we write lam, बे, lam, काफ, lam, बिल्कुल. And ठीक is टे, दो चश्मी है, ये काफ. ये बिल्कुल ठीक हैं. They are perfect. ये बिल्कुल ठीक हैं. और he or may, she may say, please take off a little bit more from the top. मेहरबानी करके ऊपर से थोड़े ज़्यादा काटें. मेहरबानी करके ऊपर से थोड़े ज़्यादा काटें. Now please is मेहरबानी. Now let's see how do we write मेहरबानी. मीम, हे, रे, बे, अलिफ, नून छोटी है, मेहरबानी. काटें is to cut, and we can write it as काफ, अलिफ, टे, ये, and नूना. थोड़े ज़्यादा is ते, हे, वाव, रे, बड़ी है, थोड़े. ज़्यादा is जे, ये, अलिफ, दाल, हे. From the is say in Urdu, and we write say as seen badiye se. Top is ऊपर, alif, वाव, पे, re, ऊपर. Please take off a little bit more from the top. मेहरबानी करके ऊपर से थोड़े ज़्यादा काटें. Now a barber may say, Sir, you are getting bald. जनाब आप गंजे हो रहे हैं. सर आप गंजे हो रहे हैं और जनाब आप गंजे हो रहे हैं. Janab is actually the translation of Mr. Now let's translate Sir, which is Janab in Urdu, and we write Janab as Jim Noon Alif Be. Aap is Alif Mada Pe Sakin, which is equivalent to you in English. R is translated as हैं, and we write हैं as हे ये नूना. हो रहे, which means getting, so we write ho, hewa ho, and rehe is another word, re he badiye. Now we write ganje as gaf, noon, jim, badiye. Sir, you are getting bald. जनाब आप गंजे हो रहे हैं. You should be using a hair oil. In Urdu, आपको बालों का तेल इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. आपको बालों का तेल इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. Now, you is translated as आप in Urdu, alif madha and pe sakin. आप should be करना चाहिए. Now, how do we write करना? काफ रे कर, नून अलिफ ना, करना. And चाहिए is चे अलिफ हे ये बढ़िए चाहिए. Use is इस्तेमाल, and we write इस्तेमाल as अलिफ ज़ेर सीन is तमाल. ते मीम and अलिफ लाम इस्तेमाल. एक is alif ye kaf, which is a. Here means bal, and here we will use balon, which is written as be alif lam waw and nunna. Tel is oil. We write tel as te ye lam, tel. So you should be using a hair oil becomes आपको बालों का तेल इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. Your hair are getting white. A barber may say your hair are getting gray, your hair are getting white, which is आपके बाल सफ़ेद हो रहे हैं. आपके बाल सफ़ेद हो रहे हैं. Let's translate your as आपके, and we can type आपके as alif, mada and pe. आप. K is another word which can be written as kaf badiye ke. Here are bal, and we write bal as be alif lam, bal. R is hai, which is typed as he, ye, nunna, hai. Ho rahe, we type ho as he, wow, ho, and rahe is re, he, badiye. Ho rahe means getting. White is translated as safed, and we write safed as sin, fe, ye, dal, safed. So a sentence, your hair are getting white, is translated in Urdu as आपके बाल सफ़ेद हो रहे हैं. Would you like to get your hair dyed? Would you like to get your hair colored? In Urdu, क्या आप अपने बाल रंगवाना चाहेंगे? If the customer is male, and if she is female, then we will ask क्या आप अपने बाल रंगवाना चाहेंगी? Now let's translate each and every word in this sentence and type them in Urdu. Wood is gay for male and ghee for female. We write gay as kaf badiye gay, and ghee can be spelled as gaf chotiye ghee. U is aap, and we typed it as alif mada pe sakin aap. Like is chahe, che, alif, he, ye, and nunna. To get means hasil karna, but here we can translate it as karwana, and we can type and spell karwana as kafre kar, waw, alif, noon, alif, karwana. Your is aapke, alif mada pe sakin aap, and k is kaf badiye ke. Here are bal, and we write bal as be, alif, lam. Dyed is rangwana, which means colored, and we typed rangwana as re, nun, gaf, rang, and wana is waw, alif, noon, alif, rangwana. So, would you like to get your hair dyed is translated as क्या आप अपने बाल रंगवाना चाहेंगे for male, and क्या आप अपने बाल रंगवाना चाहेंगी for female. Now the customer may answer, yes, please dye them dark brown. In Urdu, हाँ, इनको गहरे भूरे रंग में रंग दें. हाँ, इनको गहरे भूरे रंग में रंग दें. Yes is हाँ in Urdu, and we can type it as a, alif, नूना, हाँ. Please is मेहरबानी करके, मीम, हे, रे, मेहर, बे, alif, noon, छोटी ए. मेहरबानी, and करके can be written as काफरे कर and काफ बड़ी ए के. मेहरबानी करके. Dye is रंग दें, and we can type rang as re, noon, gaf, rang, and they as dal, ye and nunna. रंग दें. Them is उनको, alif पेश नून उन, and ko is काफ वाव को. Dark is गहरे, which can be typed as गाफ हे रे बड़िए गहरे, and brown are भूरे, which can be typed as बे दो चश्मी है वाव रे बड़िए भूरे. Yes, please dye them dark brown. हाँ, मेहरबानी करके उनको गहरे भूरे रंग में रंग दें. A barber may say, your hair are very straight. आपके बाल बहुत सीधे हैं. आपके बाल बहुत सीधे हैं. Your is आपके, and we type आपके as alif madha pe sakin आप, and के काफ बड़िए के. Here are बाल, बे alif lam बाल. R is हैं, and we write हैं as हे ये and nunna. Very is बहुत, which is बे हे ते बहुत. Straight are सीधे, सीन ये दाल हे बड़िए सीधे. Your hair are very straight. आपके बाल बहुत सीधे हैं. Would you like a perm? In Urdu, क्या आप उन्हें कर्ली और घुनघुराले करवाना चाहेंगे? For male. And for female we will ask, क्या आप इन्हें कर्ली और घुनघुराले करवाना चाहेंगी? घुनघुराले is curly. Now we can translate would as gay for male and gi for female. We write gay as gaaf badiye gay and gi as gaaf chotiye gi. Aap is alif madha and pe sakin aap. Like is chahe, which can be written as che alif he ye and nunna. A is ek, alif ye kaaf ek. And perm can be translated as perm or curly or ghungurale. Let's write perm. So we can write perm as pe re mim. Would you like a perm? क्या आप इन्हें कर्ली घुनघुराले कराना चाहेंगे? The customer answers, no, thank you. I prefer straight hair. नहीं, आपका शुक्रिया. मैं सीधे बालों को तरजीह देता हूँ. And if she is a female, then she will say, नहीं, आपका शुक्रिया. मैं सीधे बालों को तरजीह देती हूँ. So we can translate no as नहीं, which is noon he ye and noona नहीं. Thank you is आपका शुक्रिया, which is typed as alif madha pe sakin आप and ka is काफ alif ka. शुक्रिया is sheen पेश काफ शुक ये हे शुक्रिया. मैं is मीम ye, and noon. Prefer is तरजीह देता हूँ for male and तरजीह देती हूँ for female. So we write तरजीह as te, re, ye, jim, he. तरजीह. Deta is dal, e, te, alif. Who is he, wow, and noon. Straight is सीधे. We write सीधे as सीन, ये, दाल, हे, बढ़िए. Here are बाल, which is बे, alif, lam. No, thank you. I prefer straight hair. नहीं, आपका शुक्रिया. मैं सीधे बालों को तरजीह देता हूँ. The barber asks, would you like a head massage? क्या आप सर का मसाज, which is सर की चंपी, करवाना चाहेंगे? क्या आप सर का मसाज करवाना चाहेंगे for male? And क्या आप सर का मसाज करवाना चाहेंगी for female? Now let's translate would, which is gay for male and gi for female. We type gay as gaf badiye gay and gi as gaf chotiye gi. Aap is alif madda and pesakin. Like is chahe, which can be written as che, alif, he, ye, nuna. A is ek and we typed as alif ye kaf ek. Head is sir, which is typed as sin re sir. Massage can be typed as meme, sin, alif, jim. Massage. And chumpy is che, meme, pe, chotiye. Would you like a head massage? क्या आप सर का मसाज करवाना चाहेंगे for male? And क्या आप सर का मसाज कराना चाहेंगी for female? Or a hairdresser may ask, would you like your nails done? क्या आप अपने नाखून कटवाना चाहेंगे? और for female, क्या आप अपने नाखून कटवाना चाहेंगी? Would is gay or gi in Urdu and we write gay as gaf badiye gay and gi as gaf chotiye gi. You is aap, alif madda and pesakin. Like is chahe, che, alif, he, ye, nunna. Your is aapke, which is typed as alif madda pesakin aap and k as kaf badiye ke. Nails are nakhun. We type nakhun as noon, alif, khe, noon, nakhun. And done is karwana, katwana. So let's write karwana. We write karwana as kaf, re, waw, alif, noon, alif. Would you like your nails done? In Urdu, क्या आप अपने नाखून कटवाना चाहेंगे? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please like this video tutorial. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.